Every day, we use many different products. Beyond simple convenience, products can provide us with new experiences and the joy of ownership. Finding new materials, researching diverse technologies, making things that last. This is what we do. Harnessing years of experience and color material finishing expertise, we seek ever better products and designs to help create joyful memories. Intops meets our clients' demands with 8 global manufacturing facilities. Cost competitiveness, fast delivery, and efficient operations are just a few of the core strengths we offer our clients. Our internal facilities for molds and tool fabrication reliably speed up product development, and our mechanical engineers and technicians are continually sharpening their skills through demanding trainings. At Intops, we specialize in OEM, ODM, and EMS, manufacturing products in a wide array of different industries. Mobile phones, automotive, home appliances, cosmetics, and electronics. Thanks to years of experience in manufacturing injection molded parts and CMF works, Intops products always deliver high-value added design. Intops offers EMS to our clients, effectively reducing initial investments and increasing speed and leverage for market delivery. Intops offers extensive know-how from years of developing CMF techniques, expanding from plastics to metal, fabric, carbon fiber, and leather. In pursuit of excellent design, we are always seeking new materials and techniques. We value the creative passion and drive of designers. And we strive to deliver products that reflect the designer's vision while satisfying our customers' desire for value. Film insert molding combines the advantages of injection molding with the layering process to achieve a wide range of colors and design. In-mold structure electronics can incorporate hardware like LEDs and sensors into injection molded parts to ensure simple assembly and durability while reducing size and weight. Adaptive cruise control covers protect cutting-edge modern technologies like forward radars without interfering with functionality, all while showcasing key design elements like logos and emblems. Intops surface treatment processes enhance the beauty and class of natural wood grain, overcoming material limitations and allowing for expanded freedom in design. Composite materials like carbon fiber can be inserted into a mold to shorten the injection and lamination time, making even more dynamic designs possible. CFRP and FRP and Intops' innovative CMF techniques form a revolutionary combination. Paper Program was launched by Intops to help promising hardware startups with strong, competitive ideas in their journey to the right product. Paper Program provides overarching support in planning, design, development, manufacturing, investment, and marketing to qualified startups. Startups are our future partners and clients. We believe that their success is our success. We understand designers. We will continue our efforts to deliver designers' visions to the consumers. New insights. New inspiration.